Charles got me some, or at least I thought. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is something different. Charles got me some PSD boxer briefs that I wanted to unbox and share with you guys. So the package just came in. He let me pick out a pair that I really wanted because we just wanted to give them a try. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you and welcome back. I'm just simply vlogging daily, just being me, just being Sierra. All right, so when you open up the package, inside is your receipt. So I had got, I think I had got one pair, maybe, or at least I thought. But anyways, this is the pair that I picked out from him. So these are the Feral BS. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging just so you guys can see it. So I thought that these would be really cute to have. So I ordered these in a size large because that's what I normally am in panties anyway. And so each of these pairs go for 20 bucks. 20 bucks, yep, just for one pair. But they have so many designs. If you guys head over to their website, you'll see that there are so many designs. Over to that website, you'll know that Feral BS stands for boy shorts. You can afterpay these if you want to for orders over $35. They have so many other similar designs that you guys can see here. I definitely want to pick some more if I do like these ones. So they have a 3-inch inseam, they have a line gusset, 4-way stretch, extra durable, anti-chafe, flat lock seams. It's soft microfiber signature waistband, and it's 88% polyester, 12% elastane. And the product care that you're gonna use on these is simply just to machine wash cold and then tumble dry them on low. So I also could have gotten the Feral sports bra that comes with it, which is this simply here. But y'all, bras are so funny with me that it's not even a point to do. So I do plan on trying to see if I like them. It just wasn't this time. I just wanted to allow Charles to get me some for Christmas, but you can make a wild statement in their new multi-animal print style. The Feral boy shorts are made from silky poly blend with a comfortable full coverage, and it keeps you in fit. So the PSD boy shorts are perfect for everyday wear and working out. So they do also have youth apparel, and youth apparel is ranging up to like $16. But I think that they're having a really good sale at the moment. So some of them are 8, some of them are 11, so on and so forth. So it's unbeatable. I mean, if it's gonna be something that I can work out in as well around the house, by all means, I will do just that. Let me go ahead and show y'all what Charles got himself. So Charles got the PSD SpongeBob SquarePants ones. They come out looking like this here, with SpongeBob and Patrick on them, and he ended up getting a medium. The same texture of mine is the same texture as his. So these have a 7-inch inseam for men. I guess it just depends on the size guide, but they also have a dynamic comfort and support, which is why the poly blend it's what it's made of. But anyways, so he got the SpongeBob ones. And then he also got the Ghost Face one, and that's this one. So same, medium. And then he ended up getting some SpongeBob license air fresheners. For who car, I don't know. But, so he got some air fresheners with SpongeBob's license plate on them. I think he just wanted to add this so that it would be to where he got the free shipping. So that's a 3-pack of those. So this is the new car scent. Let's smell it. I don't know what it smells like. It do smell like a new car, but it also gives off like that new shoe scent too, like mixture. But anyways, that's everything that we got in this PSD bag. I hope that you guys go and check them out and buy a pair yourself. I mean, ladies, come on now. Who can not work out in these? I can't wait to put these on.